Hello guys, we meet again. So today I will show you how to use Drupal, which is the content management system, or known also as the PHP framework. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, here's the Drupal page. You can get the link later, or you can find the link below the description. And first of all, we have to download Drupal zip, which you can see from here. And after that, you have to extract this file to your htdocs, which is in XAMPP file. Alright, we have done that. Next, we have to cut this and bring it to our XAMPP file. And here we got. Sorry about that. Okay, I've already done that. Next, we just have to extract here. Alright guys, so we already have installed the Drupal, which is the PHP framework. So after you install, you have to make sure your XAMPP is already started. So I already started my XAMPP, and this is how it will be shown for your Drupal. And if you want to know how to see your Drupal, you just take your name of your extracted file from your Drupal. So for me, I already name it Drupal. The file name, I'm sorry for the mistake. So we just refresh it, and then here it goes. So make sure after you already have that, we have to make a database for that. So for me, I will just make it Drupal and then create the database. Yeah, now you can choose your language. I will just let it English, save and continue. After that, it will redirect you to standard minimal demo. So for me, I just take it standard. After standard, so there are some error here, but it's okay. And then so I already solved that by using this. So in your XAMPP file, go to PHP and find the php.ini, and then you have to edit the extension GD here, this one. Yeah guys, so now I have correct that mistake. Now we can just continue, and our database name is Drupal, and our username, which is root, no password on it, and save and continue. So it might take a long time to take, or we can wait. Yeah, but I suggest you can do something. So this is how it will show, where we should configure our own site, and you can begin to fill all your information. My site name will be dmap, set email address, which is my own email, and my username could be beermine 1 2 3 4 5 6 ben 2 3 4 5 6 ben, and then yeah, I think that's all. And voila, this is your website. Now you can edit as what how you want it to be, and this content. And yeah, guys, if you, as you can see in your Drupal database, which is in PHP there will you see uh, there will be a lot of here which you can access to edit, and this is how your website. So back to site, and this is how you will see it. Thanks again, guys. Thanks for watching and have enjoy with your CMS and framework. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, guys.